In this tutorial, we will show you how Wavelength takes your data and makes it better. We will walk you through improving your data and user privacy. We will also cover premium features including email and address sourcing, passive data updates, and data export. You can import your data to Wavelength via the Data tab in the Admin dashboard. Don't worry about duplicates, formatting, or multiple spreadsheets. Wavelength makes sure that only unique and new information gets added. Wavelength can work with data from spreadsheets to Racer's Edge databases. Within 24 hours of upload, organizations receive a populated network. From an email address, Wavelength can find up-to-date social profiles, photos, and data on career, location, and education. Wavelength can typically find extra data on 60% of emails. Even before a single user signs on, you have a usable alumni network. When users log into the platform, they can update their data. Most do. Every time they get on an email, there are links to update their data. Whenever they update any one of their networks on Wavelength, you get that information. Sometimes, you may know that a member has changed jobs or moved to a new city, but hasn't updated their information. As an administrator, you can update your constituents' data from their search profile. It is easy for you to keep your data up to date. Wavelength works with organizations to set the default privacy controls for phone numbers and email addresses. Members can sign in and change their privacy settings at any time. The following features are for Basic and Plus customers. Wavelength lets you find emails and physical addresses on people without them. Navigate to your Admin Dashboard Data tab. In the Find and Confirm Email section, you will see an overview of your missing data. There are 3 buttons: Find Emails, Requeue Not Sure, and Send Confirmation. When you click on Find Emails, you will see your data on the left and public profiles on the right. Scroll through the data until you find the likely match. Click Correct Match to get access to the source data. If you are unsure, or none of them match, click the appropriate button. At any point, you can requeue profiles. This will add the profiles you flagged as not sure to the Find Emails queue. When you click Send Confirmation Email, Wavelength will send a verification email to your sourced profiles. This ensures that they are correct and that users want to receive messages. When users have validated the email, it will be added to their profile. Every 6 months, Wavelength does another pull of public data so that you get the most up-to-date user data. At any time, you can navigate to your Admin Dashboard Data tab and take a snapshot of your data on Wavelength. You can then download it as a CSV and use it however you want. Wavelength's tools let you keep your data up to date, accurate, and useful with minimal effort. Please email chris@searchwavelength.com if you have any questions.